A Buzzfeed SPAC merger turning into a bit of a buzzkill. 94% of investors in the SPAC did redeem their shares, choosing not to participate in the deal. Shares were higher and now lower by about 9.5%. Leslie Picker's got that story for us. Hi, Leslie.
Yeah, that's right, Carl. It's been a volatile first day of trading for Buzzfeed today. As you mentioned, shares surging nearly 30% at the open, only to plummet to trade lower by about 8% currently, although the day is still young. Buzzfeed marks its debut today after completing a merger with a SPAC known as 890 Fifth Avenue Partners. Apparently, that's a nod to the address of the Avengers headquarters. The volatility, though, is the result of a small amount of shares being floated in the market after the SPAC received an abnormally large amount of redemptions. 94% of investors opted to sell their shares at the IPO price. That proportion more than double the average redemption rate for SPACs this year. It also means that Buzzfeed receives only $16 million in cash.
You know, having a lot of cash would be nice, but it's important to use your cash in a way that where you really are understanding the inputs and outputs of your business and right. Investing wisely. And we've been able to do that, and being able to have a business that generates cash is more important than just raising a ton of cash.
But
That was CEO Jonah Peretti on Squawk Box this morning. Also important to note that the company will receive gross proceeds of $150 million from convertible notes in connection with this merger as well. NBC Universal, the parent company of CNBC, is an investor in Buzzfeed. Now, many public market investors see Buzzfeed's debut today as a proxy for market appetite for digital media. If that's the case, they may be in for a wild ride.